Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is the week. The week for what? Well, we are Monday, May 25th, 2020. And if all goes well, this is the week that we officially get the May 2020 update from Microsoft, which is version 2004. So right now, it's still being tested in the Slurring release preview. I've made many videos, like you see here. This is the version I have been using for a while now. And so 19041.264, if there's no cumulative update coming up with it, is apparently the version. So will you all get it this week? No, that's the thing that you got to understand here. I'm getting a lot of questions from viewers about this version, and so this week what we should see is at some point some of you will probably get this in their Windows updates. Now, Microsoft does usually do something called, seekers. So if you go to your settings and your update and security and you check your Windows updates, that's being a seeker. That means if you force the update check manually, you'll see the new version of Windows 10 appear on your computer. It will show something like a feature update, Windows 10 May 2020 update, or version 2004, or something like that. So right now, all I have here is a security intelligence update for the Defender. But that is what a seeker is, if you manually go and check it out. If you don't, well, it's not going to push the update, and it's not going to push the possibility of seeing that update at all. So you're going to, have to wait, and it's going to show up at some point if you don't check it out. So seekers are usually who get it first, and there's no reason to believe that that's going to change. They're going to start to roll it out very slowly, so most of you won't see it this week officially unless you actually go manually check it out. Now, the official release date is still apparently the 28th. That's Thursday. But there's a buffer zone. Apparently 26, 27, or 28 are all 3 days a possibility. We know that the manufacturers, OEMs, or what is the general manufacturers, have apparently that kind of the 26 to the 28 is that moment where the drivers and the stuff need to be released. Last time that happened, when Microsoft told companies that the driver release should be made within a few days, well, that was the time when Windows November update actually was released. Same thing happened with the May 2019 update. So we have all reasons to believe that this week is the week. It's interesting how quiet Microsoft has been, and it's kind of interesting to see that, there's really no... I kind of have a hard time with that secretive way of Microsoft, because what does it matter that, they announce, I don't know, a month in advance? Oh, well, by the way, on May 28th, it's going to be the Windows 10 May 2020 update. I don't get that secretive side of Microsoft that they just, wait till the last minute. It's been tested for 5 months. It's been tested since December. So, this is, of course, should technically be rock solid and very, very good upgrade. But you won't be forced on it. Remember that the updates that are, the feature updates are, of course, not pushed on you. It's going to be an optional download of an update. So this is going to be optional for all of you out there. And until, of course, you are at a version of Windows 10, in this case, the version that's going to be pushed probably is the October 2018 update, even though the October 2018 update actually will enjoy updates up to October or November of this year. But you guys are going to be the first to see it because you guys are at a version of Windows that is soon to expire. Will there be a way to download it? Yes, there's always a way to download it. Microsoft has a page where they actually have all the images of Windows 10. So if you type Windows 10 download, you will see that there's a page, Microsoft page, where you can download the update. Now, don't go now, because as long as we are still not officially in the release, it's not there yet. If you click update now, if you click download the tool to get the image, you will actually still get the November 2019 update, sorry. So this is not yet the version of Windows. And it says here at the top, Windows 10 November 2019 update. We will post the link to this page in a video when the official release happens and that they change this to the May 2020 update on the page. You'll be able to download the image of Windows 10. And for the size, once again, a lot of people, are on limited internet capacity with data caps. So the size is, of course, something that is being asked a lot. The size of a download for Windows 10 is roughly around 4 gigabytes. So if you use the tool here, it's roughly 4 gigabytes. It fits on a DVD. A lot of people say it doesn't fit. Yes, it does. I don't know how many DVDs I burned of every version. Make sure that you download it from here, not from some weird website that adds extras to it. Of course, you can create a bootable USB thumb drive also with the image. I do recommend that you keep an older image of Windows 10 at the same time as you update the image with this, because one of the important things here to understand is if for some reason something would go wrong, you still have that image for an older version that you can go to. But all is pointing at the direction that this should be okay. So this is going to happen this week. We're going to keep you updated, and as soon as the release is official, we'll of course post the video with all the details. And I will have, when this is official, a official clean install video of Windows 10 May 2020 update. I've done the clean install videos about a year and a half ago. It's been a while since I did the clean install, and it changes slightly with version to version. So I will be doing a clean install video to show you guys, because I do have a Dell PC here that needs to be updated to Windows 10. I'll use that Dell PC and make the videos with it to show you guys how to clean install once again with Windows 10. It's the easiest thing in the world. It's never been as easy as that to install Windows. And most machines, no drivers, just installing it works. So more coming up this week. Hope you enjoy our videos. And of course, we'll be continuing some of the videos of other little things happening in the Windows sphere. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.